Hey guys, what's going on? This is Danny from Blowout TV, and I'm here with a 2-box and 1-pack break for Mike P. Alright, Mike, here we go. Mike, he got for Blowout TV today a pack of 2010 Bowman Jumbo Baseball. This is the one with the Bryce Harper USA and the Strasburg Mania that started it all. And then he got here a box of 2011 Bowman Chrome Baseball and Elite Extra 2011. So Mike wanted to start with the Bowman Jumbo Pack first. So here we go. Good luck. Stephen Drew, Ortiz, Martin Prado, BJ Upton, Aramis, Josh Beckett, Chase Utley, Burley, Russ Martin, Max Scherzer, Matsui. Then we got here a Ryan Howard blue, numbered to 520. A Lars Anderson, Kevin Youkilis, Bowman Expectations. We got here more couple base. And here are the chromes coming up. John Lamb, Brian Baisley, Abner Abreu, Mitch Moreland, Alexander Torres, a Bo Bowman, checklist. We got some rookies. Aroldis Chapman, Cole McCurry, Simon Castro, Nolan Arenado, Jacob Elmore, Evan Anunson, Josh Donaldson, Leandro Castro, Carlos Delgado, Bowman Retro, Chris Carter, and an Eric Abar base. Alright, so nothing too stellar in there. Alright, next up is your box of 2011 Bowman Chrome Baseball. I'm going to go ahead and open these packs. You know what? We can just do it one at a time. Here we go. 18 packs per box. Darwin Barney refractor. Starling Marte, Josh Sale die cut. Dickie Joe Thon, Michael Blank, Freddie Freeman. Cameron Garfield, Gregorius. Looking for some hits here. Gene Segura, die cut. Trey McNutt, Robinson Cano, refractor. Dickie Thon refractor. Almost halfway through this box here. We got a Chris Archer fusion die cut. Mark Teixeira refractor. Second half. Pedro Alvarez refractor. Eric Hosmer regular. Brody Colvin, Chase Whitley, Delino DeShields, Bowman's Best. We got a blue refractor of Derek Jeter. Nice. Derek Jeter, blue refractor. This one's numbered to 150, number 3 of 150. Pretty nice. 3 of 150. Alright. Delino DeShields. Got like 5 packs left. Still waiting for the autograph. Will Myers. We got 4 packs left. The auto is here somewhere. Dustin Ackley. 3 packs left. Maybe I'll get something real good. Oh, I like that. Matt Moore auto. Nice. Nice hit. Matt Moore auto. Alright, let's see. Centering looks pretty good. This is in really good condition. Matt Moore auto. The autograph looks a little low, but still. Beautiful card. Alright, 2 packs left for you. I'll put this off to the side and I'll top load that guy for you. Let me put that right there for now. Alright. And, oh, nice. Bryce Harper, die cut. Nice way to end the box. Alright. So here's your Matt Moore. I'll put this off to the side. Alright. And finally, we got here a box of 2011 Donruss Elite Extra. Good luck. Oh, sorry about that. Adjust this camera a little bit. Alright, here we go. Checklist. We got all these packs here. Looks like 20 packs per box. So here we go. Good luck, Mike. Just run through the hits here. Like Kevin Matthews, number to 200, die cut. Building blocks, Josh Hamilton. This looks like an autograph. Yep. Jackie Bradley Jr. on-card auto, number to 692. Nice. Jackie Bradley Jr. on-card. Real nice. Let's put that with the Matt Moore. Base. Christian Lopez. Garrett Cole. Starlin Castro rated rookie. Pretty cool. Here we go. There's another backwards card. Yep, autograph. This one's Zach McPhee, number to 664. Zach McPhee. Look at his autograph. It says 3KMPL. Don't know what that's supposed to mean, but... two autos so far. We got another one here. Pedro Villarreal, number to 960. Pedro Villarreal. Alright, now it's autograph number 3 so far. 20 pack box here. Ichiro, base. Alright, we got a redemption here. This one's numbered 110. 110. Alright, who's 110? Oh! Number 110. You see that? I'll let the focus come into focus. Come on. There it is. 110. Bubba Starling. Wow. Great hit. Alright, number 110 autograph prospects, Bubba Starling. Phew. So you got a Matt Moore in the other box and a Bubba Starling in this one. Alright, another autograph here. This is a Barrett Lowe. Laux. 685. Pretty crazy. I think that's autograph number 5, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my god, another one. Alright, Eric Johnson, numbered 774. Alright, and we still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs left. Maybe you'll get some more autographs, who knows. Oh my god, you got a hot box. Alright, Adam Morgan, numbered to 640. Sick. Adam Morgan, numbered to 640. Let's see how many more autos we can pull out of here. Dwayne Jones, number to 200, non-autographed. We got another auto redemption. This one's Aspirations Signature Die Cut, number 169. Aspirations Signature Die Cut 169. Alright, so I guess that would be here. Danry Vasquez. Danry Vasquez, number 169. Signature die cut. So I'm not sure what that's going to be numbered to. Alright, here we go. Another autograph. This one's Albert Cartwright, number to 864. Jeez, this stuff is loaded. When you think about it, Bowman Chrome had one auto. This is like 10 autos. Here's another one. Dean Green, number to 626. Crazy. Dean Green. We got 2 packs left. No auto in this one. Alright, and last pack for you. Good luck, Mike. Let's get another autograph here to end it. No autograph in this one. Alright, let's do a little recap. Let's see what your autographs were. Dean Green, Albert Cartwright. This one was Danry Vasquez, Adam Morgan, Eric Johnson, Brad Lowe, the Bubba Starling redemption, Pedro Villarreal, Zach McPhee, and a Jackie Bradley. Pretty nice box. Alright, well thank you very much for the order, and I'll see you later.